Hello everybody, my name is Ungar, and welcome back to Entity Infestation, the horror exploration game I've been designing based on the backrooms. Today I'm going to show you a redo of the map, because I had to delete the old one and remake it because it was very laggy. You now randomly spawn on the 3 floors. The ramp sort of staircase thing was very laggy, so I just implemented it chooses a random number 1 through 3 for the 3 floors, and I also added a lot of new assets for the map, so you can probably already see some of those here. So we're just going to be taking a look at the map, or what I've made of it so far, while I talk about what's going on. So let's go. I came through here. This is the spawn room. Every single one of the spawn rooms looks the same. There's 3 floors. Both of them are below me because I've only decorated the 3rd floor for our actually randomly generating rooms, which I forgot to mention. But yeah, I'll make a couple of these, and when actually I should probably explain how the system works before I tell you the random generation part of it. So these 4 little edges here will each have this sort of door-like thing attached to it. And when you open the door, eventually we want it to open, you walk through it, and it closes behind you. And this starting room that you spawn in every single time, it'll be gone forever. And you'll be in this new room, which is randomly generated. And if you want to head back, you open the door, and it'll be a totally new, randomly generated room. And then the door will close behind you, and this room will be gone. What I mean by randomly generated is not randomly generated. This room I built by hand, but there'll be like 30 different room types that it'll choose, so that I have some control over how it generates, but at the same time it's decently random, so that you get a totally new experience every time. And yeah, that's basically most of the stuff I've worked on, is a lot of the map and assets and getting the 3 floor randomly generated and starting to build out these. So let's just take a look around. It's not done, obviously. Like, this door is for some reason really shiny. There's a little chair back here that you can hopefully hop onto. Yep, there we go. And then still can't really use that to jump over here like I wanted, because there's no crouch yet, but I want to add a crouch so that if something's chasing you, can just hop over and run. The collisions are also a little wonky, but as you notice, there's pretty much nothing down there. So if we go to this room, now there's this, and the windows are some of my favorite parts. There's also a chair back here. The chair is the only model besides like walls and lights that I've made, but you can't really see it because it's so dark. Probably gonna need a flashlight that you'll eventually be able to acquire to use that. And this is a glitch. This is supposed to be just slightly further so that you don't see the edge of that there, but I'll fix that. The lighting is also insanely janky, so that's why the game is not released. There's a lot of weird stuff. It's not finished, not polished, but that's the point of this devlog series, is to show you my progress up to release and the hopefully many updates that come along after. Here we have another room with some more windows that I really like. Really love the windows. See, like, if I look towards that, which is the bulk of it, I get really fast, but then I look this way and I'm really slow. So something weird's happening. There's this little room. I really like this. You can see the sort of light coming through. All these lights. I really spent some time on this, since this is hopefully the final version of it, so I wanted to make sure it was fully polished. Got this back here with a little chair. And yeah, I think that's it for the map. I'm just going to walk around it another time and talk about some more stuff. So yeah, let's go. Down this way. I'm getting lost in here already. I think I know. Yeah, I think I know where I am. Yeah, I'm right here. Okay. So along with that, you can see in the bottom area with all the little assets, like down below the screen, all the little stuff I'm making, all the scripts with the hashtags on them. There's a lot of stuff that's being worked on, all these new assets. I'm coming up with ideas that haven't been implemented yet, but a lot of stuff to come, new levels, and much more. Not in the first release. The first release will pretty much just be like this. obviously fix up all this weird lighting, add some more like decoration, because obviously it's the back rooms, but at the same time it's a game, so it needs to be at least somewhat fun to play. And yeah, oh, also I can just show you how the door works. Right now, if you just walk into it, it'll just disappear, and only on the edge doors. These you can't go through since they're not connecting to another tile. And yeah, these will basically just be like Lego blocks that stack onto one another and despawn behind you. And I think that's actually it. It's not a long list of stuff that I've worked on, but the stuff that has been worked on is very big, so that's sort of what's going on here. That's why this video is pretty much going to be really short. Yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Like I say in all my videos, if there's anything I missed, or if you guys want anything, or want me to talk about anything, comment that in the comment sections, and I will spend like the next minute or two of my next video talking about the stuff that I forget. Because I'm still pretty new to YouTube. I'm not the best, not writing like a full 20-page script for like a 3-minute video that 10 people will watch. But I'm trying my best, and hopefully doing my best. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you all did enjoy, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye!